Suave is a trusted and affordable hair care brand that has been serving families for generations. Known for its wide variety of shampoos catering to different hair needs, Suave combines quality ingredients with budget-friendly pricing. The brand offers solutions for dry, damaged, frizzy, fine, or color-treated hair, making it accessible to a broad audience. Suave shampoos are formulated to clean hair gently yet effectively, leaving it fresh, soft, and manageable. With a wide range of options like Suave Professionals, Suave Essentials, and Suave Kids, the brand covers all age groups and hair concerns. One of the most popular lines is Suave Professionals, designed to deliver salon-quality results at a fraction of the cost. These shampoos are often infused with nourishing ingredients like keratin, coconut oil, shea butter, or biotin. For example, the Suave Professionals Keratin Infusion Smoothing Shampoo helps control frizz and smooth hair, while Suave Professionals Moisturizing Shampoo with almond and shea butter deeply hydrates dry hair. These formulas are often compared to higher-end salon products, giving users confidence in quality without breaking the bank. The Suave Essentials range is well known for its refreshing scents and simple yet effective formulas. These shampoos are ideal for daily use and come in delightful fragrances like ocean breeze, juicy green apple, and tropical coconut. They clean thoroughly without stripping hair of its natural oils, making them great for normal hair types. The light lather and pleasant aroma make hair washing a relaxing routine for many users. Additionally, the large bottle sizes and economical price make this range a favorite for families and frequent use. Suave Kids shampoos are specially designed for children, offering tear-free, hypoallergenic formulas with fun scents and characters. These are gentle on young scalps and eyes, making bath time enjoyable and safe for kids, while Suave shampoos may not be so